Hello everybody, welcome to the second part of this tutorial about restoring and upgrading those vintage speakers. In this part I'm going to show you how to upgrade the speakers with those speaker terminals you can see on the left side, where you can use banana plugs or thicker cables. So in the first part of the tutorial I showed you how to renew the crossover by replacing all capacitors. Now I'm going to show you how to upgrade the speakers with new speaker terminals. So what you need to do is remove the cover and screw off the front of the speaker. Alright, after finishing, you can take off the cover . And remove the speaker plugs here. But remember which wire belongs to which connection here. So especially the polarity. If you're not going to remember that, especially those are two wires with the same color, just make some post-its on it. One is enough. Say, okay, positive 8 ohm, positive 4 ohm, for example. So at the beginning you need to decide at which position you want to have the new terminals and make holes for the new ones. So I'm going to do it how I have done that for the other terminals and mark a little point. Now I'm inserting the new terminals into the speaker case. So after inserting the new terminals into the wooden case, or wooden frame of the speakers, I'm going to prepare the cables inside the speaker. And I'm not only going to connect the old ones with the new terminal, but I'm going to split them into two cables. So you still have the possibility to use the old ones, but you can also use the new ones. So yeah, I think that's a good option. For the new terminals, I just got regular speaker cable, the one you use outside of the speakers, not inside, but I think that's the easiest and cheapest way. And yes, I'm gonna cut those, solder it together, and yeah, connect it to the new speaker terminals. So First of all, I'm preparing the cables for the new terminals. I cut the cable, the original one. And this should be enough. This is actually what I meant with splitting up the cables, doing a Y out of it on both sides. So now I'm gonna connect the cables together, and I've prepared some shrinking tube. You should put it before you solder it on the wires, like this. Alright, so I've connected the 3 cables together. Now heat up the shrinking tube to isolate it. Alright. Forgot the shrinking tube. So I've prepared the shrinking tube on the other wire. And now I'm going to connect those 3 ones again. think this is alright. Yes, this one looks good, so I'm gonna do the same thing with the shrinking cable, a shrinking tube again. So now I have connected both cables and isolated them. So now I'm going to connect the new ones with these golden pins here, which are part of the new terminals. All right. Oh, what I forgot here. Put on the shrinking tube before. It's good. This one is finished. Okay. So I'm ready preparing the cables. Now I will connect those two golden pins to the new speaker terminal from inside. So I'm putting the crossover inside again, connect the cables to the speakers, and then connect the new speaker terminals. bus is this one. This is not good. Okay, this is good. Now I'm reconnecting the old wires with these clips here. This connection's usually not that good, but we're not going to use it anymore. Oh damn. And I need to put some glue on that. Otherwise it's gonna vibrate when the subwoofer is woofing. So let me do this first. Take some isopropanol, a little bit of alcohol to clean the old glue. Make it away so it sticks better afterwards. Alright, so I put some glue all over. Finished. Let's try it out. I'm testing the speakers for the whole day already, and you definitely can hear the difference. So I hope I could inspire you to restore your own speakers or upgrade your own speakers. Thumbs up if you liked it, and see you next time. Bye.